Do you find your life is not going in the direction that you wanted to go in? Do you find your life is just not going anywhere? Do you find that your thoughts are everywhere and you can't focus on what you want to achieve and get real momentum, real action in your life? Well, if that's you, I'm here to help you. Hi, I'm Jeff. We are Think You're Happy, and we're the Think community, and we're here to help you sort out your life and sort things out and get things going for you and get the success that you really deserve and you want in your life. So this video is really how to focus what you want to create today, how to focus on what you want to create today. It's looking at how you can focus on what you want. How do you do it? How do you go about finding what you want, and how do you focus on it? It's so difficult because I don't know about you, but in the past, I've been kind of like everywhere. I do a little bit over here, a little bit over there, a little bit over there. And at the end of the day, you do little bits of everything, but you don't do a lot of anything. You just don't get things done. Things don't move forward, and you don't get the actions, the fantastic results that you really want in your life. It just doesn't go anywhere. So let's have a look at it. Right, so what you need to do really, what you need to do is you need to focus on the actions you want to create. Now, how do you do that? Well, it's difficult because there are various different methods. One of them really, I think, to start off with, you need to know what you're looking for, where you're going and what you want. Is it a new job? Is it a partner? Is it happiness in general areas of your life? Focus on what you want first. Write it down. Have it on a notice somewhere. I want this, or I'm looking for this, I am this, and focus on that quite specifically. The next I recommend is putting yourself together a vision board or a mood board of some kind, which is basically a piece of paper with pictures on of what you feel your action, your focus, your ideal will be. It could be, I don't know, a new job. So you may have words put on there that focuses on what your new job is. Say you want to be a manager or something. You may need to do a training exercise, a training program. You may need to do some online work. You may need to apply for jobs, apply for interviews, talk to people. Put those words on there. Put some pictures about what it represents. It could be yourself in a suit. It could be yourself talking to somebody. It could be people talking in a meeting. Anything you feel that creates that ideal, that idea about what you want to focus on, put it on the mood board, the vision board. You can do things with words as well, words, keywords that elicits within you, that creates within you feelings about what you want to achieve. That's a really powerful thing. You could put notices everywhere, little stick-it notes on the backs of your doors, next to your bathroom cabinet, near your bed. So when you wake up in the morning, when you go to bed at night, you see these words and they create that idea within you. You're basically reprogramming your mind to focus on what you want to achieve. So you're getting clarity of focus, clarity of thought, and it really, really helps. You mustn't focus on what you don't want. Don't focus on what you don't want. So for example, you're in a job you don't like. Don't say to yourself, oh, I don't want that job. Forget about it. Look at the good points in that job and focus on what you do want. Because if you're focusing on what you don't want, you're continually creating that negativity and attracting that negative stuff to you. And your mind is only focusing on what you don't want when you want it to move and shift to focus on what you do want. So it wastes energy. You're wasting energy focusing on what you don't want, and it's such a waste of energy, such a waste of thought processes when you should be focusing on, I'm sure you're getting it now, focusing on what you do want in your life. So you're putting your energy into what you want, you're focusing on ideas and vision boards and mood boards and words. Another thing you can really look at is a bit of meditation. Now, meditation isn't all it isn't all highfalutin, high exciting, professional meditation stuff. Anyone can meditate, and I've got quite a few articles on my website, Think You're Happy, about meditation. Meditation can be for anyone. We're born with the ability to meditate. Meditation is just like a daydream. It's like taking your mind to a different space where you can relax and your mind can just flow and not worry too much about things. You can let your mind drift. Think about when you were a child, when you were playing as a child, say 6 or 7 years old, and you were playing with a Lego set or a car or a dolly or whatever you played with. Your mind wasn't really thinking about anything. It was just drifting, and thoughts were coming through your mind and coming in and coming out. And that is meditation. Meditation is a very powerful tool to help you relax. And when you relax, you can bring in some of the soft thoughts that you want, some of the thoughts you want to focus on, like a new job, but nothing heavy. keep it quite light. And often you can get really good ideas about your life and direction in your life from meditation. So regular meditation in the morning, in the evening, as you wake up, as you go to bed at night, just for a few minutes every day. Even when you're hoovering or washing the car or doing the dishes or cooking the tea, just let your mind drift and let it focus on nothing really. Let it drift. The fourth thing really is the I am affirmations. Now, I talk about this quite a lot in my videos, and I am affirmations are really little actions for yourself that you want to kind of reprogram your brain into thinking about. So I only use the positive words, so we don't focus on the negative, we don't focus on what you do not want to achieve, we focus on what you are and what you want to achieve. So for example, I am happy, I am focused, I am looking for a new job, I am creating good opportunities for myself, I am clever, I am intelligent. Anything you feel really good about yourself that help you get to your end goal, say it. I often do these as I wake up in the morning, just for a few minutes, in the shower, in the evening before I drift off to sleep. Anytime you feel you've got a bit of space, do them every single day. Repetition, repetition, repetition of those I am affirmations. So for example, going back to a new job, again, it could be, I am successful at interviews, I am confident at interviews, I have good self-esteem, I've got really good skills, I am really focused on getting this new job, I'm going to get this new job, people think I'm really great, that kind of stuff. That really, basically giving yourself a good talking to, and you're giving yourself actions and thoughts, positive thoughts to then take forward into your day, and that creates a good energy around you, it creates good thoughts, it creates good vibrations around you. Sounds a bit mad, but it really does work. It does work. Please try it. So create what you want. You've got vision boards, you've got mood boards, you've got I am affirmations, you've got meditation, focusing on what you do want, not focusing on what you don't want. I think really by doing this, you'll start to see a change in your energy over time. It could be a few days, it could be a few weeks, it could be a few months, but keep on with it. Don't give up. Don't give up. You've got a goal now. You know where you want to go. You know what you want to achieve in your life. You've got focus. Don't lose sight of that. Have a laser beam focus on what you want to achieve. You'll gather momentum. You'll gather energy. Look after yourself. Drink plenty of water. Cut back on the alcohol. Cut back on the sugar. Have a lighter diet. Lose a little bit of weight if you need to. Tone up. Get some soft exercise in as well. Do a bit of walking. Walk the dog. Walk the kids. Anything. Start feeling good about yourself, and then you can take forward your ideas and your focus and achieve really what you want to achieve, because you can create anything you want to, really, within reason, as long as within your flow and it's meant to be in your life. I'm not talking being a pop star when, well, maybe you can, I don't know, but maybe you're going to be realistic about it. Be realistic about it and really think, yeah, that's my thing. That's where I'm going. That's what I want to achieve. That feels good to me. That kind of resonates with me inside. Look, I hope it's been happy. I'm hopeful it's been good for you and happy, and I hope you're happy and you take forward these ideas in the future. Please keep in touch. Please click the link below. We've got a newsletter comes out every week with lots of videos and ideas about this sort of thing. There's also 3 bespoke meditations on the website, which when you sign up, you get them free. There's a little key you unlock and you get them to use as much as you want, and they're really, really good focused meditations to help create success in your life by changing your mind and changing your thoughts. Give us a like up if you can, and look forward to seeing you again very soon. Take care. Bye bye.